Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the fascinating world of AI business automation and how AI development businesses are driving growth. I'm excited to share insights from my own AI business, Fiegel AI, a cutting-edge AI construction company that is revolutionizing the industry. Today, we'll discuss how Fiegel AI's expertise sets us apart and enables us to make a significant impact on business optimization. Let's dive right in section 1. Understanding AI business automation. At Fiegel AI, we understand the immense potential of AI business automation. Our team of experts has harnessed the power of AI to develop innovative solutions that significantly impact businesses. By leveraging AI technology, we deliver unparalleled results in boosting productivity, automating manual tasks, and optimizing decision-making processes. Section 2. Target market. Fiegel AI's exceptional capabilities allow us to serve a wide range of businesses seeking transformative AI solutions. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, our expertise in AI business automation can revolutionize your operations. Our tailored solutions address your specific needs, helping you achieve sustainable growth and stay ahead of the competition. While AI technology has the potential to enhance various industries, what sets Fiegel AI apart is our deep understanding of the construction sector. We have honed our expertise to deliver AI solutions specifically designed for construction businesses, enabling them to optimize project management, streamline processes, and drive efficiency. Section 3. No skills needed. As a business owner looking to tap into the AI automation market, you may wonder about the necessary skills. With Fiegel AI, you don't need advanced technical skills or coding knowledge. Our team of AI experts handles the complex development process, allowing you to focus on leveraging the benefits of AI for your business without the steep learning curve. By partnering with Fiegel AI, you gain access to a team that understands your industry and knows how to implement AI technologies effectively. We take care of the technical aspects, empowering you to harness the transformative power of AI without needing to become an AI expert yourself. Section 4. Zero startup costs. One of the remarkable aspects of partnering with Fiegel AI is the minimal startup costs involved. Unlike traditional AI implementation that often requires significant investments, we provide cost-effective solutions tailored to your specific needs. By eliminating the financial barriers, we enable businesses of all sizes to embrace the power of AI automation without straining their resources. At Fiegel AI, we believe in making AI automation accessible to everyone. We are passionate about helping businesses grow and optimize their operations without breaking the bank. Our goal is to deliver exceptional value while ensuring scalability and profitability for our clients. In conclusion, Fiegel AI stands at the forefront of AI business automation, bringing unparalleled expertise and tailored solutions to the table. Our deep understanding of the construction industry allows us to make a significant impact on optimizing businesses in the sector. By partnering with Fiegel AI, you gain a competitive edge and unlock the extraordinary potential of AI for your business. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're ready to take your business optimization to the next level with AI automation, reach out to Fiegel AI. Subscribe to our channel for more industry insights and stay tuned for future updates. Together, let's transform your business with the power of AI. Until next time, happy optimizing.